The planner runs from January to December, and to get to the monthly pages, you just tap on the months and it'll go right to that page. And along the sides is 5 colorful notebooks, and again you just tap on them and it'll go to the notebooks. At the bottom it's the extra pages tab and also the calendar integration, and we'll get to that later. If you tap on these rings on the side, it takes you to the index page, and this page has all the notebooks and it has extra templates. These 5 notebooks right here corresponds to the 5 notebooks on the side. And right here is your extra template pages, and we'll talk about that later. And right here is 6 additional notebooks. When you tap on the top right corner, it takes you to the cover page. On the monthly page, there are invisible squares at the bottom of each box that takes you to that week. If we go back to the monthly page, you'll notice these bubbles. If you tap on these bubbles, they will take you to that corresponding day. And I mentioned this earlier, remember that both the dated and undated versions of the planner, you have to write in the dates on the daily pages. And for the schedule, it goes from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. I wanted to show you that you can get to the daily pages from the weekly pages by going to the month, tapping on the week, and then tapping on the day. If we scroll right from the cover page, you can write your name. If you scroll again, here's a greeting, and if you tap this button, it takes you to video tutorials about digital planning, and this button takes you to the shop.